And with me here is one of the participants. So we'd like to hear from him. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, may we meet you?
My name is Emmanuel Johnson Akego. I'm a staff of Dignity Finance University. I'm an IT engineer.
So how would you describe your overall experience at today's master's class?
Okay, I think my overall experience is a very wonderful experience. I came in yesterday, look at now being Friday, and from the reception I received down to why I left to go and have my rest, had part of the class yesterday, and this morning from the time I'm here, it is a wonderful class.
Wow.
It's a wonderful training section. I think I've learned, I've relearned, and I've unlearned so many things. And I could recommend everyone who wants to learn about the branding, wants to learn about the branding, to be part of this class or to be part of the next class. Yes.
Thank you so much for this, and we hope to see you at Branding Masterclass 6 and there. Hope you'll be there.
I look forward to it. I've even told the organizer that there is need to bring this type of class to the city of Abuja.
Oh my God,
so
that's
in the
very,
days
very
and
good.
months to come, let's see how we can partner, how I can give some level of introduction to them so they can also come and do this
and
in Abuja. Yes,
wow,
it will be a
thank you
glorious
so
one.
much. Thank you so much.